More Vice Chairman Awka, Ward 1. When you plan to get a everyone wow. Now, I remember Medina. Probably I broke to go. Nanko Mebo Kenta. And not get one more promotion.
Money, I'm going to have a second turn on OTUOCHA, but I can't do many things. You don't have school to come and Ebenebe.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to this channel once again. Today we'll be going to Ebenebe town in Awka North local government area of Anambra State, Nigeria. And this town happens to be one of the biggest towns in terms of agricultural produce in Anambra State, Nigeria. Though this town have suffered so much from previous administrations in terms of accessible road to this very town. From the past administrations, far back from the P2B's administration down to the Willis administration, this is over 18 years now. This town have suffered lots of setback because there is no accessible road into this very industrious town. But today, the current administration, that is the Soludo administration of Anambra State, have remembered this town, and he has actually shined light, has brought light and brought life into this town. And today we are actually going to the ongoing construction in Ebenebe town. You can see the road has been set for asphalt, but the asphalting has already begun from inside the town. That is the boundary between Enugu and Anambra State, and it's coming out, and it will get up till the Amansi junction by the express. So the Soludo administration has actually remembered this town, and the people of this town are so happy, and they are so grateful to the Soludo administration, and they are also pleading for more assistance from the state government because they have suffered serious setback because of the lack of accessible road into their town. So this road construction will actually bring in light and bring in life into Ebenebe town once again. And they are soliciting for more kind gestures from the current administration. So right now we are in Ebenebe town, and this is the construction that's ongoing in Ebenebe. Also we'll go down to where the asphalting is ongoing, so you will see the current situation and the current state, and also the point at which this work has gotten to. Also, you will see the quality of work that is being displayed in this site. This is also to let you know that this current administration is actually doing its best to see that various localities in the state receive life. Yes, so come with us guys on this journey and on this video also, so you will see all for yourself and by yourself. Come with us.
More Felix more Vice Chairman Awka, Ward 1. When you plan to make it now, you go Gov Soludo, everyone wow. Now I remember Medina. ọbụrụ mmadụ ga-akwụ ụgwọ n'otu ga-akwụ ya ụgwọ na nke ome bụ nke nta and ọ ga-enwe more promotion after gọvanọ na ọ ga-agapụta president aha ka o letekwala anyị ụmụntakịrị anyị na skuulu nwa anyị na-eti mkpu enye na skuulu kwara anyị oke ebe anụnwa anọ through education ka a je move forward so wee na-acha na nke nwe ọlụ ka bụ obele iwe na chukwu ga-eme ọlụkwa mmụọ tim gawakwe gọvanọ gwa prezident ogo okwu n'iru amara gede ekenye ekene ọ bụla na-egburu mmadụ ma egbuorie mmadụ na ya mana sọ chukwu ga-akwụ ya ụgwọ n'ibe ahụ ọkọlụ anyị niile ụlọ anyị n'ebe anyị ga-ekenye ọmụnwa vice chairman apụga Ebenebe Ward 1 ya ụmụ onye village Ebenebe. Thanks so much.
So you can see one of the community members appreciating the state government for this wonderful construction going on in their town, and also they are soliciting for more kind gestures from the state government. Truly and really, solution has come to stay in Ebenebe, and this is the effect of good governance in this town. As I told you earlier, this town has suffered a serious setback because there wasn't an accessible road to this town. I remember some years ago, like about 5 years ago, when I last visited this town, it was terrible. When I say terrible, it was one of the worst roads in Anambra State. But as you can see today, the Soludo administration have actually brought light into Ebenebe town, and the people of this town are really appreciating the state government, and they are jubilating at the same time, because this will bring about development in various aspects of Ebenebe town. So the people of this town will once again have life again, and they would also have access to move out their farm produce to the various locations in the state. Also, every other person that actually uses this road would really appreciate the state government, because this road is more like a death trap before now. But today, you can see that the state government has actually done what it's known for. So there are lots of projects just like this one going on all around the state, and we'll keep bringing them to you live and direct, just like we always do. So today you can see we are in Ebenebe, and this is the quality of road construction that's going on in Ebenebe, a town that has been left for over a decade now, without road. But the state government came in and began to do what others have not done in the state. So guys, please share your thoughts on the comment section. Let's know what you think about Ebenebe town, and let's know what you think about this construction that's going on in Ebenebe. And if there's any advice you'd want to give to the state government, you can also do that in the comment section. Stick with us as we proceed.
No need to campaign for second term. Open million no win one over million. I want money. Yajiwala Keleme. I will have a second term on OTUOCHA. But I can't do many things. You know, school to come and I need more development. You also in the Bukalink. I am in local government. I'm even the Gov Soludo government, only the young Ambia campaign for second term. No family in Aquado for second term. How do you say? Governor go tax because now Ebenebe at the one half now capital government. Robert was a broke, I need but that's where now you Koji. And it was no, the member.
anyị na-asị ya na second turn no much election na second turn na ofe mmiri ga-atụgharị akwụkwọ no ezi du maka na kankan abụ so na nke ọchịgoro na ọmụkọ ọfụma so na mamịrị campaign ọzọ so anyị uwe na-ayakwu anya na-elotekwu anyị n'anya ka ndị gwe militins ebe a Ebenebe bụkwanụ na esogwe n'ọka ahụ mana a na-akpuchi anyị ekpuchi mana kịta ka ọ bịara ọ gbughe anyị na-asịkwu ya nya anyị fọm ọzọ ndị gwere militins anyị jere ebe a ma ụlọ akwụkwọ institution.
So guys, these are some of the communists of this town, Ebenebe, testifying of the good work that the state government is doing, and they're appreciating the state government, and they're also celebrating this kind gesture from the state government. And at the same time, they are also soliciting for more of this to come into their town. They say they don't have schools in Ebenebe, and I believe it's because of the lack of accessible road that has denied them of such basic amenities. But also at the same time, I believe that the state government would intervene on their behalf. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share and like this post. Don't forget also to click on the notification bell down below so that whenever we post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. So you can see the asphalting work ongoing right now. This is what it looks like at the moment. We are bringing it to you live and direct from the site. So they are already commencing the asphalting from this point, and they will continue up till Amansi by the express, that's by the Enugu-Onitsha expressway. So it will go from here and it will get to Enugu-Onitsha expressway. This is indeed a very, very huge construction going on right now, and it will really increase it will uplift or facelift these various towns that this road will actually go through them, including that of the Amansi. We'll also get to the ongoing work at Amansi. Maybe probably on our next video, you would see what the state government is doing in these wonderful towns. Seriously and frankly speaking, solution is at work in Anambra State, and we are already seeing the effect as of today as it continues. So don't forget to watch this video to the end so that you get the proper view of what is actually going on in Ebenebe. We are in Ebenebe town, and you can see the company that is in charge of this road construction. So please guys, stick with us on this video, watch to the end, and as I said earlier, don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. Stick with us as we continue. Okay guys, if you have watched up to this point, thank you so very much, and see you on our next video coming your way. Bye for now.